In this section, we're going to review ticket filters. Our dynamic filters allow you to create custom views to help you work most effectively within the help desk platform. When you're in the help desk, you can navigate to the upper right-hand menu there to see the filters button. You can see currently that there is 0 filters applied, meaning that we're seeing all tickets in this help desk a little bit under 3,000. Now, when you click this button, you'll open up our ticket filters menu. In this menu, you'll see some of our out-of-the-box filters available, such as project, status, and assignee. There are additional filters available in this plus more menu here, which you can click there to open up our ticket filters submenu. Within this submenu, you'll see some of the other fields available, such as our other standard fields, which include reporters, tags, priorities, and past due. In addition, you can also filter by custom fields. Custom fields are essentially ticket subcategories that your admins can set up and apply to tickets, so that way you can filter by those specific variables moving forward. If you want to select any of these filters, you just need to select the checkbox there, and it'll add them to the filter menu in the following screen. You can see that they've been added in the background. You could also search for filters with the search bar at the top. So if you have a long list of filters, you can easily search, find them, and add them that way. Once those filters have been added, you can begin to use them within this ticket filter menu. So right now, none of these filters have been applied, but if we want to start using them, we can start limiting what we're looking for. So in this case, rather than looking at all tickets, we can limit it by the customer success project. So we're only looking at the tickets for the customer success project. As you can see, this decreased the overall ticket count from a little under 3,000 to a little over 200. So we're looking at a much smaller group of tickets. In this way, you can find a specific ticket that you're looking for and use different combinations of filters to find exactly the type of tickets that you want to look more into. If we wanted to look further and only look at done tickets within the customer success project, we can add that additional filter and we can see now that there are a little bit over 100 tickets, limiting down the tickets viewed even further. You can continue to use any combination of filters or different views that you want to look at to see the specific tickets that you want to apply to. Beyond that, the additional filters that are unused at the bottom there won't apply unless you select something from the drop-down, but you can always just remove them as necessary. This is essentially how you have this view that you can then save as a future filter. For every filter you use, it'll save it in the upper URL bar at the top. There'll be a custom URL for that filter. Therefore, you can go in and copy that, add it as a bookmark, and then whenever you are in a different view, such as the ability to reset and restart views in any way with this button shown here, you could always easily navigate back to that previously filtered view. So now that we have reset our filters and we're back down from 2 filters to 0, we could easily add in that URL that we had before that we had bookmark and open it right back to the ticket filters that we were previously viewing. In addition to saving these filters in a bookmark view for yourself, your org admins can also save them as filters that's viewable to your whole organization. In this case, we can add in customer success done tickets, save it as a new view, and then it'll come up as a new view that your whole organization can use in the left-hand menu there under the ticket views where we have some more custom views available. You also have the ability to always search tickets directly in that search bar and find what you're looking for. So if you are looking for tickets in regards to a specific issue such as VPN, you can search by that and then only see the tickets that apply to that. This is essentially how you use ticket filters in Capacity.